Welcome. If you want to activate Hey Google of your Google Assistant in Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, at the first you have to open Google app. Next we have to go for the More, tap on the Settings, go for the Voice, tap on the Voice Match, and then simply tap on the switcher to turn it on. Click Next, click Agree. As you can see, in my case, Assistant can already recognize my voice because I just used it before that video. And in your case, you will get the circle and you have to say 3 or 4 times OK Google or Hey Google, and you will also be able to use this feature. Click Continue after that. And right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, it is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!